Welcome to the Perched Quizmaster. Get ready to test your knowledge with 100 fascinating questions all about the human body. It's not just the body parts. We're diving into human diseases, the parasites that cause them, and some seriously strange medical facts that will blow your mind. So, grab a pen and paper, keep score, and challenge yourself or your friends to see who really knows their anatomy, health, and the creepy crawlies that can make us sick. Think you're ready? Let's begin. Which parasite causes malaria? Plasmodium. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? Rickets. Tuberculosis primarily affects which organ? Lungs. What virus causes AIDS? HIV. Which bacteria causes typhoid fever? Salmonella typhi. Which deficiency causes night blindness? Vitamin A. What is the main cause of scurvy? Vitamin C deficiency. Which disease is caused by the poliovirus? Polio. What condition results from iodine deficiency? Goiter. What is the causative agent of cholera? Vibrio cholerae. What causes dengue fever? Mosquito bite. Which vitamin deficiency leads to beriberi? Vitamin B1. Rabies is transmitted through the bite of which animal? Dogs. What is the main cause of anemia? Low iron levels. Pellagra is caused by a deficiency of which vitamin? Niacin, B3. Which disease is caused by the bite of the tsetse fly? Sleeping sickness. Which microorganism causes athlete's foot? Fungus. Chickenpox is caused by which virus? Varicella-Zoster virus. What is the primary cause of jaundice? Liver dysfunction. Which bacteria causes leprosy? Mycobacterium leprae. What disease is caused by a deficiency of insulin? Diabetes mellitus. Which virus causes influenza? Influenza virus. Ringworm is caused by which type of organism? Fungi. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? Vitamin C. Which disease is caused by water contaminated with feces? Cholera. Whooping cough is caused by which bacteria? Bordetella pertussis. Which disease results from vitamin B12 deficiency? Pernicious anemia. What disease is caused by the protozoan trypanosoma? Sleeping sickness. Which disease is transmitted by Aedes mosquito? Dengue. The BCG vaccine is given to prevent which disease? Tuberculosis. Kwashiorkor is caused by a deficiency of what? Protein. Which disease affects the liver and is caused by a virus? Hepatitis. Measles is caused by which type of pathogen? Virus. Which bacteria causes food poisoning and botulism? Clostridium botulinum. Which organism causes amoebic dysentery? Entamoeba histolytica. Which deficiency can lead to bleeding gums? Vitamin C. Which disease causes inflammation of the meninges in the brain? Meningitis. Rabies is caused by which type of virus? RNA virus. The disease Kala-Azar is caused by which organism? Leishmania donovani. Filariasis is caused by which type of organism? Helminth, worm. Which vitamin deficiency causes delayed wound healing? Vitamin C. What disease is caused by excessive blood sugar levels? Diabetes mellitus. What causes the disease tetanus? Clostridium tetani. What kind of pathogen causes the flu influenza? Virus. What deficiency causes muscle weakness and cramps? Potassium. Which disease leads to brittle bones in older adults? Osteoporosis. Which disease is known as lockjaw? Tetanus. The common cold is primarily caused by which virus group? Rhinovirus. Which disease is characterized by high uric acid levels? Gout. Deficiency of which mineral leads to anemia? Iron. Which disease results from prolonged protein deficiency? Kwashiorkor. Which disease is known as Hansen's disease? Leprosy. Which disease can be prevented by drinking boiled water? Cholera. What causes athlete's foot? Fungus. Which organ is affected by hepatitis? Liver. What is the primary symptom of anemia? Fatigue. Which deficiency causes skin roughness and dermatitis? Vitamin B3. What type of disease is scabies? Parasitic infection. Which disease is commonly known as German measles? Rubella. Which deficiency can lead to poor vision in dim light? Vitamin A. Which deficiency leads to weak bones and teeth? Vitamin D. Which organ does pneumonia primarily affect? Lungs. What type of disease is Alzheimer's? Degenerative disorder. Which bacteria causes peptic ulcers? Helicobacter pylori. Which disease is caused by lack of insulin in the body? Diabetes. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin K. What causes Down syndrome? Chromosomal disorder. What is the cause of mad cow disease? Prion. What causes tooth decay? Bacteria. Which disease is linked to asbestos exposure? Mesothelioma. What disease causes severe dehydration and watery diarrhea? Cholera. Which deficiency causes dry and scaly skin? Vitamin A. What type of disorder is hemophilia? Genetic. Which disease is also called black fever? Leishmaniasis. Which organ is primarily affected by jaundice? Liver. Which condition is characterized by inflammation and narrowing of the airways, often triggered by allergens or exercise? Asthma. What is the cause of cretinism? Iodine deficiency. Which pathogen causes syphilis? Treponema pallidum. What causes anemia during pregnancy? Folic acid deficiency. Which disease is linked to prolonged exposure to loud noise? Deafness. Which vitamin deficiency causes bone deformities in children? Vitamin D. Which disease is transmitted through contaminated water? Hepatitis A. Which disease is caused by a protozoan and spread by sandflies? Kala-Azar. What condition is characterized by chronic joint inflammation? Arthritis. What is the deficiency disorder related to bleeding disorders? Vitamin K. What causes German measles? Rubella virus. Which disease is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis? Tuberculosis. Which deficiency can lead to cracks at the corners of the mouth? Vitamin B2. Which virus causes mumps? Paramyxovirus. What condition results from excess growth hormone in adults? Acromegaly. What is the name of the bacterial infection that causes lockjaw? Tetanus. Which mineral is essential to prevent goiter? Iodine. Which part of the body does conjunctivitis affect? Eyes. What deficiency leads to neural tube defects in newborns? Folic acid. Which disease leads to a breakdown of the immune system? HIV, AIDS. Which disease is caused by Plasmodium falciparum? Malaria. What is a key symptom of meningitis? Neck stiffness. Which disease is related to hyperthyroidism? Graves' disease. What is the most common cause of tooth cavities? Sugar plus bacteria. Which virus caused the global pandemic in 2020? SARS-CoV-2. Great job. You've completed the quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun quizzes. We have plenty of exciting challenges coming your way. And if you want to test yourself even more, check out our other quiz videos linked on the screen. Thanks for playing, and see you in the next quiz.